Donsco is an industrial wonderland with campuses located in Wrightsville and Mount Joy. Donsco offers three categories of services: engineering, foundry, and manufacturing. I spent a day at Donsco with a manager from each department. I learned how Donsco transforms this into this, into this, and into this. And it all starts here. Engineering services. In engineering services, Don Milliken, tooling manager, showed me the engineering facilities, where ideas are turned from blueprints into working models, and finally into casting dies, into which liquid metal will be formed into parts for everything from farm equipment to diesel trucks and sports cars. Once the engineers have created a working model on the computer using CAD software, they can do a virtual test of the flow of the metal into the die to make sure that the metal will flow into it and then cool properly. Once a die is approved in its virtual form and the prototype has been 3D printed, inspected, and tested, the engineers will make the real casting using their CNC milling machines. Foundry. Justin Ruby, Foundry manager, showed me how Donsco turns scrap metal into liquid metal. Adding specific, carefully controlled amounts of other metals produces iron alloys with desired qualities. For example, adding magnesium makes the metal more ductile, so that it will bend before it breaks. Perfect for tow hooks. A sample of the metal is superheated by laser for quality control. This method allows the metal to be tested to make sure the metal ratios are correct. The dies are placed into special machines. Then the liquid metal is poured into the dies or molds created by the engineering department. The foundry can produce up to 40,000 castings per day. Manufacturing services. Michael Druck, machine shop plant manager, demonstrated how some castings require precision machining before being shipped to the customer. For example, some pieces might need special holes drilled, or screw threading, or precise milling of some surfaces. Sometimes these jobs can be done in batches using milling machines. Sometimes they require one-to-one human handiwork. Guess who makes both types of tow hooks for Ford Broncos? That's right, Donsco, right here in Wrightsville. Let's take one more look at the Donsco logo. Why do you suppose they chose this design? Finally, an important message from the managers. During my tour, all three managers separately told me a little of their backstory and how they got to be where they are today. The messages that they wanted students like you to hear were remarkably similar. They all confided that college was not for them. They all started at entry-level positions and worked their way up. They also stated that two things are all you really need to succeed: a good attitude